Welcome to AlphaSync channel, and thanks for watching another video of AlphaSync channel. In this video, we'll walk through the process of setting up single sign-on SSO between Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, and AD Manager Plus. SSO simplifies user access to multiple applications by allowing them to sign in once with their Azure AD credentials and access all connected applications seamlessly.
We'll start by setting up Azure AD, registering AD Manager Plus as an application, and configuring authentication settings in AD Manager Plus. Then, we'll delve into configuring SAML-based SSO in Azure AD, where we'll generate metadata, set up claims, and establish trust between Azure AD and AD Manager Plus. Throughout the video, we'll provide step-by-step instructions, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each configuration step.
By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Azure AD with AD Manager Plus, enabling your users to access AD Manager Plus effortlessly using their Azure AD credentials. Registering AD Manager Plus as an application. Configuring authentication settings in AD Manager Plus. Setting up SAML-based SSO in Azure AD. Generating metadata and establishing trust. Testing SSO configuration. Enabling SSO in AD Manager Plus, and conclusion. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on optimizing your IT infrastructure with AlphaSync. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on IT administration and cloud services. Now let's dive into video. In this tutorial, we explored the seamless integration of Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, and AD Manager Plus to enable single sign-on SSO capabilities. We begin by setting up Azure AD, registering AD Manager Plus as an application, and configuring authentication settings. Then we configured SAML-based SSO in Azure AD, generated metadata, and established trust between the two platforms. After testing the SSO configuration, we enabled SSO in AD Manager Plus, providing users with a streamlined authentication experience. Do you have any tips for my onboarding week? Thank you for watching AlphaSync tutorial on configuring SSO with Azure AD and AD Manager Plus. We hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying user access management for you or your organization. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe to AlphaSync for more AD administration tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy at managing!